streaming with you so that we can discuss about the market patterns and we can also talk about the today's technical analysis of the market. So right now, guys, if you look at here, then I'm on a gold chart. This is the 1 hour chart that I have selected, and I'm going to give the analysis right from the 1 hour chart. So first of all, guys, you can see that I'm using the red boundary indicators here. So these are the set of three indicators. So the top red boundary is the overbought levels of the market. The lower red boundary is the oversold levels of the market. And moreover, guys, if you look at here, we get few signals from sell buy in the form of red and white arrows. So this is the supporting indicator, and the third one is the price monitor. You can see here, this is the price monitor indicator that is used. But overall, we are not much using this one as because we mostly focus on the red boundary indicator. And the second thing that I focus is the Forex trend dashboard. So guys, this dashboard is of a very high importance in the Forex trading market. So those subscribers who do not have this Forex trend dashboard, then I recommend them highly that this is the very good trading indicator if used wisely, and you can get the trading profits in no time, depending on the time frame. If you like, for example, if you are trading the 1 hour chart, then you will consult this 1 hour pattern. So it says on 1 hour you can see maximum signs are up, only we have a one down here, and rest everything is up. Now if you look at the gold, then guys, you can see if I make the trend line from here to here, then you can see that the gold has moved into the upper direction. Okay, just I'm going to take you have a closer look here. So guys, look at this candle. Look at this candle. This candle was closed above the middle dotted line as per the trading system. Okay, you can see there is a dotted line here. So just let me read that trend line. So you can see this candle was closed above the middle dotted line. You can see here there is a middle dotted line in the color of blue. So this candle was closed above. So whenever you see such type of chances on the hourly chart, then do not worry about buying that particular pair, because it will be very good for you to take a buying position from that level. Now look at here, the gold went up and it entered into the top red boundary, and after that we have seen a slight downward trend, but this is not a complete downward trend. This is kind of a slight downward trend. Okay, but coming back to the Forex trend dashboard here. Now guys, just have a look on the beauty of the Forex trend dashboard. Now if you look at here, then if you look at the hourly chart, then it's dropping right now. Okay, somehow slight drop is coming. Now if you want to scalp the market, I mean, if you want to take a short time position, then selling chances are on gold. Like for example, from 1 minute it says down, 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 everything is down. If you look at the 5 minute pattern, it is representing down, down in the form of red, and everything is down. And in the 15 minutes we have only few ups, in the couple of ups, and rest everything is down. So once you have analyzed the market like this, that from 1 minute to 15 minute it's saying maximum down. Now coming back to the original market here, now guys, you can take a sell chance into the gold. Okay, so I'm just again repeating that whenever you are going to scalp the market, then it's good that you enter into the sell position based on 1 minute to 15 minutes you have analyzed. Now the Forex trend dashboard is telling you that from 1 minute to 15 minute I am going into the downward direction, and this is what the market can behave. Okay, and look at here, if I just open the 1 minute chart in front of you so that we can discuss here. Okay, look at here. A complete downward pattern is coming on the 1 minute chart. You can see this is the clear drop. A clear drop is coming on gold, and the gold is going down on the 1 minute. So it means that coming back to the 1 hour again. So this is the 1 hour. Now, if you look at the 1 hour candle, so here we are, gold is already going into the downward direction. So it means that the Forex trend dashboard was indicating you right direction from 1 minute to 15 minute that the market can go into the downward direction. However, if you are a day trader and if you are hourly trader, then guys, it's giving us three downs and rest of them are up. It means that on the hourly it says slightly bullish, not fully bullish, but slightly bullish. So once you see So once these 1 minute to 15 minute are coming into the up sign, and if the overly is up, then guys you can take buy chances. But overall, the buy is not recommended at this stage because the market stands here, and right now it's pushing into the downward direction. So once the market is pushing into downward direction, then you will not take a sell chance. Okay, those subscribers who are already into this trading room, they can simply ask their questions in the chat box. And guys, if you like this live stream, then please press the like button. Then press the like button and also share this live stream with everyone so that we can discuss more about the currency pairs. So please press the like button and share this the live stream with everyone. And moreover, those subscribers who have any questions, they can simply ask me here. Okay. So I'm just doing a roughly live stream here. You know that, guys. Mostly people are or traders are on vacations. So okay. Moreover, guys, if you have any type of questions and if you want to get these red boundary indicators, if you want to book your copy of Forex Trend Dashboard, if you want to subscribe to the Forex Signal service, or if you have any inquiry, you can contact me on +923186732851. That is my WhatsApp number. Okay, I'm again repeating. If you have any questions, you can also contact me on WhatsApp, and my WhatsApp number is +923186732851. Or guys, you can also leave your email on info@200forexpips.com. Okay, guys, let's start ahead. And those subscribers who have any questions, then please do not bother to ask during this live session. So simply use the chat box and you can ask your questions from me about these indicators. And if you have any other question relating to the Forex trading. Okay, so this is the 1 hour picture of the gold. Now I'm going to take you back to the 1 minute chart. Okay. Now let's see what's going again on 1 minute. Okay, guys, look again. It's pumping down. The gold is pumping down from last few minutes. It's still into the bearish pressure as per the Forex trend dashboard that we have just seen. That it says that the mainly the market has chances to go into the downward direction from 1 minute to 15 minute. That's why it looks like that it's pushing into the downward size. So it's good for scalping. Taking a sell position is good for scalping on gold. But if you want to take a big trade like for a longer period of time, then guys you have to consult the 1 hour daily. Like for example, if you consult the daily chart, then it's showing you one down and the rest of things are up. It means that based on the daily candle, the Forex trend dashboard is telling you that I am into the upward direction, not into the downward direction. Okay. Now, guys, let's go to Euro USD. This is the second chart that we will analyze as per the trading system. Okay. So first of all, have a look what's going on here. So just I'm going to close this picture to you so that you can see well. So now, guys, look at here. If you look at here, the candle is pumping below the middle dotted line. Okay, so I have explained you when the candle pumps above the middle dotted line, you will take buy chances. But here the scenario is different because if you look at here, this candle is pumping below the middle dotted line, middle blue line. It means that you should have to take a sell chance on Euro USD. Let me show you a complete picture here. You can see this is the complete graph. Now you can see well right now that the market is trying to push below the middle dotted line. So if the market stays below the middle dotted line, then it means that you will have to take the selling chances. Okay. Now coming to the Forex trend dashboard here. Now guys, analyze this beauty. Now look at here from 1 minute. On the 1 minute, it says slightly up, whereas on the all other time frames like 5 minute, 15 minutes and 30 minutes, 1 hour, and even up to 4 hours, it's showing us maximum downward direction on gold, on Euro USD. So this is the beauty, guys. Look at there. Now it means that this is the confirmed trade. So the market is pushing its level below the middle dotted line. Look at this. Okay, so it's pumping below, and here another confirmation is coming from the Forex trend dashboard that I am going down. Okay, so guys, in that scenario, you should have not planned any kind of a bullish trade. Instead, you should go with a bearish trade. You should take selling chances. You should not take buying chances in this regard because this could be a very, very easy trade. Okay. So hopefully this concept must be clear to you, and I have explained this thing that when the market is pumping below, then guys you will have to consult the Forex trend dashboard for the confirmation. So if the Forex trend dashboard is indicating you that I am going into the downward direction, then do not worry about taking the selling chance, right? Okay, so we have analyzed two things right now. One, gold, and the second one that we have analyzed is Euro USD. Okay, I want to show you the picture of Euro USD 1 minute so that we can see what's going on the 1 minute. Okay, if you look at here, so overall, if I show you the complete the candles, then you can see slightly it was pushing down, slightly pumping down, and then a few candles into the up. And then guys, this is called the overbought levels of the market because the market is near to the red level at the top. So this is called considered as the overbought level. So maybe it can enter here into the red boundary, and after that again it will go into the downward side. So you need to wait for the proper down. I mean, when the markets pumps below from that level, then guys, you know already about the Forex trend dashboard, that the trend dashboard is getting you down sign on Euro USD. So in that situation, you will look for a bearish trade on Euro USD. But right now it's pumping up. Don't worry about this. Once this pattern gets stopped, you can take a selling chance because it's good. It's good to sell any pair when the market is at the higher price. So it's a good thing that your USD had made some sort of recovery, and after that, when it will push back, then you will take a selling chance. Look, from the oversold levels of the market, what's happening, guys? What I was telling you, that Euro USD can go down, and now look at the candle. So the candle is giving you the clear answer that from the overbought levels, I am pumping down. I am going into the downward direction, and you can see it's pumping up. That's why I am showing you the live picture of the trading market. So guys, this is the live market. This is not the pre-recorded market. This is the live market, whatever it's going on. You can also see from here that the levels are changing and the market is behaving. So right now, again, a little bit bullish candle, but don't worry about this because you are not going to take a trade based on the 1 minute. If you look at here, if you have patience, then you can look at here. The Forex trend dashboard is indicating you the downward sign from 1 minute to hourly. So it means that it can take proper 1 hour for Euro USD to go down into the proper direction. Okay, so overall bearish chances should be on. Okay, those subscribers who do not have this Forex trend dashboard, and this is a very key element of the Forex trading. So if you don't have this Forex trend dashboard, or if you don't have the red boundary indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp +923186732851. I again repeat, +923186732851. Or those subscribers who are willing to subscribe to Signals, who are willing to book their coaching sessions with me, then they can contact me on WhatsApp with no issues. Okay. Right, next we are going towards New Zealand USD, the third thing that we are going to analyze right now. Okay, guys. Now, first of all, I will take you towards the picture of the 1 hour candle. Though, so the first of all, look at here. This is the 1 hour chart where I am currently on. Okay. So now look at the 1 hour candle. The 1 hour candle, same concept, that the market is pumping below the middle dotted line. So it means that it should be good for scalping like on the shorter time frames. So if we consult the shorter time frame, then from 1 minute we have three ups, and the 5 minutes we have only one up, and on the 15 minutes as well we have like one, two, three, four, five, six downs. So it means that the market can make a downward pressure for a shorter period of time. But if we talk about the higher pressure of the market into the long term direction, then guys, look at here. 1 hour is saying up, 4 hour is saying up, daily is saying up. Only we have three downs on daily. So it means that overall you will come to know about the main trend of the pair. So the main trend is bullish, but for the short term you can take the scalping chance into New Zealand USD for taking sell position. Otherwise, this Forex trend dashboard is telling you that basically I am into the upward direction. The main trend of my direction is the upward trend. So guys, if you want to plan a long trade, then in that scenario, you can say that it would be good that you buy New Zealand USD at the lower price, and then you close your trade at the higher price. But right now it's pumping slightly down, so it means that it's good for scalping purpose only for the sell position. However, for the long positions, you should be set up for taking the buy positions on New Zealand USD. So overall, let's see, and let we will also check the behavior of the market. For example, if the market keeps on pushing down below the middle dotted line, then guys, we will not work on this, because everything will get changed and the market can go into the downward direction. So we will have to see that how middle dotted line reacts to the candle, to the hourly candle. So if it pumps again above the middle dotted line, then we will see more buying chances. Otherwise, we will take sell chances on New Zealand USD. That will be a good option. At next, guys, I am going to take you towards Great Britain Pound USD. This is a very good pair that is traded by most of our traders. Let me show you here. So if you look at here, the market is pumping below the middle dotted line. Now look at here, guys. This candle was closed below the middle dotted line, below the blue line. The next candle slightly bearish, sorry, up. But overall, we have also a sell signal from the scalper in the form of red arrow, and the next candle again pumped down. So overall, on the 1 hour, it's into the weaker zone as per the red boundary indicator. Now I'm going to take you towards the chart of Forex trend dashboard. So guys, if you look at the Forex trend dashboard, then from look at there, I want to teach you how I analyze the market in this way. So from the 1 minute to 15 minute, if you just judge the data, then it looks like that on the smaller time frames, the Great Britain Pound USD is into the downward direction. However, if you consult the upward time frames, like higher time frames like 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, and weekly, then you can see on the higher time frames we have only two downs, and rest of the market is suggesting you, forex trend dashboard is suggesting you with the upward direction, not with the downward direction. So it means that this right now it's pushing down, but maybe in the later hours the market will have a chance that it can close above the middle dotted line, and then this decision will stay valid, because this forex trend dashboard highlights with the trend into the future, that gives you the that uses the current analysis of the market, and also it updates you what is going to happen in future. So it's a very good indicator from my sense. So guys, always use such type of good indicators if you want to become a successful trader into the forex market. And I will also give you more reviews about this indicators in my live streaming as well as in my videos, so that you can get a very good method by using these indicators. Okay guys, if you have any questions, and those subscribers who are watching this live stream, so if they have any questions about these indicators, they can simply ask me into the chat box. So you can use the chat box option and you can ask your question from me here, and I will surely reply to your questions. Okay. And if you like this live stream, then also please press the like button and share this stream with everyone. Okay. So let me take you towards the 1 minute time frame of this Great Britain Pound USD, so that we can see what's going on the 1 minute. So guys, if you look at the 1 minute, look, a complete downward behavior is coming as per the trading system. You can see that it's pumping into the downward direction. So from the overbought levels, the market starts to go down. And look, even slightly two bullish candles are appeared, but these are the weaker candles. These are not a very good candles. These are the weaker candles, and you can see still the market is pumping down. And it means that things are also getting changed on the 1 minute to 15 minute chart, because you can see mostly data is showing you into the red as per the down direction. So it means that on the shorter time frame, Great Britain Pound USD can go into the downward direction. However, if we analyze the higher time frames like 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily, then definitely it's suggesting us with the upward trend. Okay. So what is next? So guys, I'm going to take you towards USDJPY. So guys, I have also posted about USDJPY in my WhatsApp group. So not sure do you have missed that signal? I have posted that USDJPY is going to maintain a bullish pressure, And guys, you can see that candle was closed above the middle dotted line, and after that we have seen the market has gone into the upward direction. So it was a very good signal, and that was a very simple signal from my side. I have just highlighted in my WhatsApp group few hours ago. So if you have not joined my WhatsApp group, then guys, please play my any recent video on YouTube, and you will find the WhatsApp number in the description of the video below, or I'm going to share as well here. So just a second, please. So let me share as well here. So my WhatsApp number is +92318673232851. I again repeat, the WhatsApp number is +923186732851, and this WhatsApp number is given in my description of the videos. You can play any of my recent videos, and you will find the WhatsApp number in the description of the videos. And also you can leave an email to on info@the rate of 200forexpips.com, right? Okay, so I have suggested my subscribers in the WhatsApp group that USDJPY is into the upward direction, and you can see it has already pumped up. Right now, it's going to reach towards the red boundary level at the top. So when the market will reach to the red boundary level, so we can expect some selling chances, but overall still it's into the buying zone. Now I'm going to take you towards the Forex trend dashboard, that what it says about the USDJPY. Now, if you look at the USDJPY, then guys, you can see from 1 minute. Okay, someone I want daily analysis, Gusto. Yes, Gusto, I will try my best to give the analysis on YouTube. So I will be posting live streaming. So make sure that you will be able to you get the live streaming. So always press the notification button on YouTube channel, so that once I come online on YouTube for live streaming, so you should not miss that opportunity. Okay, and moreover, if you want to join the premium Forex signal service, then you can contact me on WhatsApp. I am going to give the WhatsApp number here, so that you can contact me in that case. So my WhatsApp number is +9231867328851. I give the technical analysis as well on my WhatsApp, and also you also leave an email on info@the rate of 200forexpips.com. Or moreover, guys, if you want to get the copy of the red boundary indicators, or you want to get the Forex trend dashboard, then you can contact on the same number, and you will get a definite reply from my side. Okay, so we were talking about the USDJPY. I have told you USDJPY is getting some sort of strength. So overall, I have highlighted this thing in my WhatsApp group many hours ago, and with the grace of God, that we have seen that USDJPY has already moved up. Now coming back to the Forex trend dashboard. So if you look at the trend dashboard, then guys, you can see we have maximum up signs on USDJPY. Okay, in that scenario, guys, this will be very easy for you to trade using these indicators, because once you get the trend from the Forex trend dashboard, the first thing will come into your mind that everything is up. Then why I'm going to take a bearish trade? Why I'm going to take a sell position on that particular pair? This indicator will immediately tell you that no, by selling this pair is not a good option at this stage. So buyers are taking into the market. So it's always good that you go with the flow of the market, and that's how you can beat this Forex market. Okay, so guys, always take a best option to go with the trend of the market. If you have read articles about the Forex trading, then you must have read one thing in the articles, in the lectures, and even the experts and gurus who give the analysis of the market. They write this sentence in their technical analysis, that trend is your friend. So guys, this is called that this indicator is taking the essence of the Forex market, and it is already showing you about the future trend of the pair. So once you see that, if we give this data to a class fifth student, and if we just give a little bit common sense to him, that this is the data, that this is, you can see that maximum signs are up, then he will also not be going to take a sell trade on a particular pair. Definitely he will be going to enjoy the flow of the trading market. He will be going with the flow of the trading market. Like if the market is going up, then definitely he will also go with the buy trade. So that's why I'm suggesting you, because some people think, some traders think that, oh, the market has gone so much high, now I should take a sell position. This is completely a wrong approach. This is not a good approach, guys. So always go with the flow of the market. So what the flow is telling you, if you are not good in reading the charts, then guys, this Forex trend dashboard is very, very helpful. If you are good in reading the charts, then you can also get the red boundary indicators. They will also give you a very good insights of the market. But I recommend the red boundary indicator, and also I recommend Forex trend dashboard at the top, because it's a very good indicator, and that's give you a very good profitable trades even for the long term and even for the short-term basis. Okay, so this is kind of a positive, a strong pattern that we have seen on USDJPY, that it's going into the upward direction, and still the forex trend dashboard is indicating you that I can go further into the upward direction. So no bearish signs at the moment. So no bearish signs means, it means that you are not going to plan any bearish trade, no sell trade till now, because it's going into the upward direction. So you should have go with the bullish trade. So those subscribers who are into the trading room, I welcome everyone for joining this trading session. So we are discussing about the different currency pairs. So guys, if you have any questions, then you can simply use your chat box option and you can communicate with me and I will answer to your questions. If you have any questions about the trading indicators, if you have any questions about the forex trading, then you can simply ask during this trading session. Just use the chat box and you can contact me, and you can also contact me on WhatsApp. So use the chat box option so that you can communicate with me in case of any questions. Okay, at next we are going to talk about AUDUSD. So right now, guys, if you look at here, I have always opened 1 hour chart at the first. So why I open the 1 hour chart? Because my trading starts from 1 hour. I love to give the technical analysis based from the 1 hour, and then I go to up to the monthly, weekly. That's very good. If you are a day trader, then you can go from 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, and weekly. That will quite help you in your daily trading. But if you are a short term, if you are a scalper, then you should have contact. You should have in contact with 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minutes. So coming to the this pair is AUDUSD. You can see on the screen. So I'm going to take you towards the 1 hour pattern of AUDUSD. So guys, you will tell me that what should be the next possibility, because I have explained this concept before, because this concept was, I think, same on New Zealand USD. Now guys, look at here. The market is pumping below the middle dotted line, middle dotted blue line. Okay, so I have taught you already that when if the market pumps below the middle dotted line, it means that the market is into the weaker zone, it's not into the buying zone. Okay, so let's see what the forex trend dashboard is suggesting us right now. So coming back to the forex trend dashboard. So guys, this is the forex trend dashboard here, and now first of all, you have to judge the data from 1 minute to the 15 minute, the three time frames that you have to consult here. Look at the 1 minute, we have few ups like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ups. Sorry, 7 ups and one down. Okay, if we go to the 5 minute data, then you can see we have few ups and rest of the data is down. And even on the 15 minutes, we have 5 downs and 3 ups. It means that it shows that somehow the trend is little bit changing, but this is not about the main trend. This is just about for the scalping purpose. So for the scalping purpose, if you look at here, the candle is pumping below the middle dotted line, a sell chance, right? Okay, and slightly reds are coming onto the forex trend dashboard on the shorter time frames. It means that the market can go slightly down. But guys, do not forget this thing, because you have not analyzed the 1 hour chart, you have not analyzed the 4 hour charts, and you have not even analyzed the daily chart. Now this is this you will have both type of options. So for example, if you are going to go with a small trade, with a short term trade, then guys, you will plan the bearish trade. Otherwise, if you look at the data, then the data is telling you that mostly I'm into the upward direction. If you look at here, the green belt is more covered here. You can see the green ups are more in number as per the down. Okay, I have given you both scenarios, that from if you want to scalp the market, then you will check the market from 1 minute to 15 minutes. But if you are going to plan a hourly trade, 4 hours trade, a long trade based on the daily, so in that scenario, you will have to consult the forex trend dashboard on the higher time frames. And if you look at the higher time frames, then higher time frames are telling you that we are up. So mostly green signs are coming. It means that for the shorter term basis, this AUD USD can stay below the middle dotted line for the shorter term basis. But on the longer term basis, the market has many chances to break this middle dotted line, and maybe it will come above the middle dotted line in a couple of hours or maybe into the next hour. So let's see what happens in the market, and if it comes above the middle dotted line, then guys, you will see that the mostly all the data will be completely into the green color. It will be into the up signs, and then you will be able to take the buying chances on this pair. So this will be very healthy option. So it's always good that once the pair is dropped, so that you can enter into the buy position. Okay, so right now you can see slight downward trend comes, but this is not the good downward trend, because overall the direction of the market is basically up as per the forex trend dashboard. So in that scenario, guys, you have to plan the bullish trades in this regard. Hopefully this concept must be clear to you. So guys, if you have any questions about this concept, if you have any questions about the forex trend indicators, these indicators are very reliable and these indicators are very good for your forex trading. So if you have any questions, you can simply use the chat box option and you can communicate with me, and I will surely answer to your all questions. And meanwhile, I will be also giving the technical analysis based on these indicators. Okay, so what's next? We have USDCHF. So guys, let's talk about USDCHF right now. So right now, if you look at the USDCHF, this is the red boundary indicator. So it tried to touch the middle dotted line. Yes, it touched the middle dotted line. After that, it slightly pumped back. But guys, here you need to take a care of one thing, that still the market is standing below the middle dotted line. So overall, it means that it's kind of a weak pattern. Like it tried to break the middle dotted line, but it was unable to break the middle dotted line, and still the market stays below the middle dotted line. Now coming back to the forex trend dashboard. Now guys, the whole story will be in front of your eyes. Now you can easily decide by watching at the forex trend dashboard. Now look at here. So first thing, I have told you about the scalpers who want to scalp using these indicators. You will have to come from 1 minute to 15 minutes. So guys, if you look at the indicators honestly, then you can see from 1 minute to 15 minute, we have maximum downward signals, we have maximum down signals, we have only 1 2 3 4 5 ups on 15-minute chart. Otherwise, we have completely downward from 1 minute to 15 minute. It means that coming back to the 1 hour story here, it means that it is presenting that the market was unable to break that middle dotted line and staying below the middle dotted line. It means that the market will get a downward pressure. But however, if we go to the higher time frames, then guys, even the higher time frames are also weakening, because if you look at the 1 hour, then we have 3 4 upward downward signs, a few ups, and also if you look at the 4 hour, we have 2 downs are coming. And if when we go to the daily, then you can see on the daily we have 3 and 4 downs. It means that the whole story is telling you that I am going into the downward direction. So it means that USDCHF is into the weaker zone. It's not good for buying purpose. It could be a good option to sell this pair. Hopefully this concept should be clear to you. And if you have any questions about this concept, you can use the chat box option and you can communicate with me, and I will talk about this and I will answer your questions in the chat box. Okay. And next, we are going to talk about the USD Canadian dollar. So simply again, I'm on the 1 hour chart. So let's see what's going on the 1 hour. So guys, look at this. Look at the previous candle close. The previous last candle was closed above the middle dotted line. Let me show you here, because some traders might not be able to see this one because they will not able to understand this concept who are just new to this trading system. Look at this candle. This candle was closed above the blue middle dotted line. So there is a middle dotted line in between these two red levels. So it works as a very good pattern for scalping. Look at this. This candle was closed above the middle dotted line. What happened to the next candle? The next candle pumped into the upward direction. So this is how we use this trading system for scalping. Now guys, look at here. If you are a scalper, you will consult the 1 minute to 15-minute chart. If you consult the 1 minute to 15-minute chart, then guys, again the same story. If you look at this from 1 minute to 15 minute, you can see we have maximum up signals and we have only few downs. It means that it's good that USD Canadian dollar is pumping above the middle dotted line. So that's a good answer. Okay, so it means a bullish buyers are in action at this stage. Okay. However, if we consult the higher time frames, then it's kind of a mixture, like down, 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 down on the 1 hour, and on the 4 hours it says three ups and four downs. It means that it's kind of a 50-50% pattern. So it means that it's not good for taking a trade based on the longer time frame, because you might not be sure, because it's kind of a 50-50% signal that we have almost a same number of ups and we have a same number of downs on the 1 hour to the, I'm just looking at the daily. So on the weekly, that's it's showing you that complete the main trend of this market is the downward trend. That's I agree to it. But however, guys, it's not important that the weekly is down and the market can still go up onto the shorter time frame. So overall, if you ask me about USD Canadian dollar, the market is pumping above the middle dotted line. So I will say that I'm bullish. Brother, as per your dashboard, what is the trade? Okay, Abdul Halim Jafrullah asked a question. Great Britain Pound USD as per my chart. So, brother, I have already discussed this. So, I'm just going to repeat this concept again for you so that you can understand. So, brother, I am on a 1 hour chart. Okay. Now, look at the 1 hour chart. The market is pumping below the middle dotted line. Okay. So it looks like that it's a selling chance, it's not a buying chance. Okay. Now I am going to take you towards the Forex trend dashboard. So, brother, it's good. It's a good option for scalping. I mean, if you want to take a short position on Great Britain Pound USD, this could be a good option to sell this pair for the shorter period of time. I'm not recommended here for the higher period of time, because if you look at the higher time frames, brother, then you can see from the 1 hour daily and the H4 we have maximum up signs. So it's a kind of a alarming signal that you should be careful while taking a sell decision, because you can sell this pair for the shorter period of time. It's good because it's pumping below the middle dotted line, but do not forget this thing. Just look at the last three candles, they are just in a row. I mean, they are not going anywhere. They are just leaning on a certain level. So the volatility isn't here on Great Britain Pound USD. So better once, if you have this trading system and if you see that the market comes above the middle dotted line, then better you take a buying chance, because the higher time frames are still recommending us with the upward position. Hopefully, brother, your question is answered. Okay. So we were here on USD Canadian dollar. So I have to taught you about my thoughts that I'm bullish. Now, guys, I'm on Great Britain Pound JPY here. So this is the 1 hour chart. So let me take you towards the, first of all, I always consider the red boundary. Okay. Now just have a look on the red boundary. What's going on? The market is still pumping below the middle dotted line. It's not above the middle dotted line. It's pumping below the middle dotted line. So it means that selling could be good for this short term. So let's consult the Forex trend dashboard. Yes, exactly. I was right, because if you look at the 1 minute to 15-minute time frames, we have only one up on 5 minute, and we have two to three ups on 15-minute, and rest from 1 minute to 15-minute whole data is almost into the red sign, downward sign. And if we go to the trading system, another trading system about the red boundary, then it's suggesting us with the downward move, because the market is pumping below the middle dotted line. So a clear chance that the market can go into the downward direction. Okay, but guys, again, I'm repeating that this could be good for the short-term scalping purpose only. Because if you look at the 1 hour, 4 hour daily, then guys, answer is very simple. If you are a day trader, then it is suggesting you the strong move on Great Britain Pound JPY, that it can go into the upward direction, because the market is indicating us with the up pattern here on the higher time frames. So, guys, in these days, you know that mostly traders are on Christmas vacations, so they are not much trading into the forex market. So, I recommend everyone they should trade using the indicators. They should have this red boundary indicator, so that look how sweetly it looks like it's bumping up. and the market pumped up into the top red boundary, and then it received the rejection. And the other indicator that I recommend is the Forex trend dashboard. That is very useful indicator. So guys, in these days, I can say that the market will be slow till Feb of 2021. So guys, in these days, you should better trade with indicators. This will be a very good option because you will be trading at your own. With the slow market conditions, you can make a very good amount of money by trading and scalping by this scalping purpose. So I have taught you about the strategy that you should go with the 1 minute to the 15 minute. And if you are a day trader, if you are going to plan a long trade, then you will have to consult the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. And if you are a weekly trader, then guys, you can even consult up to the weekly chart. So it can give you very good results. Okay, those subscribers who do not have this indicators as a red bond indicator and trend dashboard, if they want to get the copy of the trading indicators, they can contact me on my WhatsApp, that is +9231867328851. And you can also send your emails on info@200forexpips.com. I again repeat, you can leave your inquiries because I mostly give the instant reply on WhatsApp, and that is +923186732851. And more subscribers who are willing to book their coaching sessions with me, that's very important because I will teach you some key tricks to trade this forex market. So if you want to book your coaching sessions, then you will also have to contact me on WhatsApp. It would be very good, and then I will be able to give you the very good insights of this trading market. Okay, second last, we are going to talk about Euro JPY. So let me take you towards here. Okay, guys, a clear sell chance. You can see, as per the trading system, the market is into the top red boundary. It went into the overbought levels of the market, and after that, you can see that the market is pumping down. So it means that the red boundary indicators were perfectly fine because it has told you that the market is into the top red boundary and it can go down. And even if you look at the forex trend dashboard, so guys, the answer should be very clear because if you look at from 1 minute to 30 minutes, you can see we have maximum downward signs on Euro JPY. So this is the Euro JPY chart. You can see from 1 minute to 30 minutes, it's completely down with a few ups. It means that this was the good direction of the market. It was very good to trade Euro JPY from the overbought levels of the market, which is the top red boundary. Okay, so the top red boundary has suggested us with our direction that it can go down, and the new hour has just started, and still look guys, it's pumping down as per the trading system. The trading system has advised us with a very good opportunity to sell this pair, and look how sweetly the market is pumping down and how fastly you can see how fast the candle is making its bearish pattern on Euro JPY. And going to the forex trend dashboard, I have already highlighted you that from the 1 minute to the 30 minutes we have maximum down signs, and based on the 1 hour and even on the 4 hour we have maximum down signs coming. So guys, be careful with Euro JPY. If you want to take any position on Euro JPY, as per my understanding and decisions, I can say I'm going to be a bearish trader on Euro JPY. And look how sweetly the market is pumping down. So this is kind of a pattern that you should look for your trading decisions. That should be very important for you. And at last, guys, I want to talk about the AUDJPY, the last pair of my technical analysis. So if you look at the AUDJPY, now guys, the question rises because it just touched the middle dotted line. Here you need to wait a little bit. Either it's going to break this middle dotted line below. If it breaks and closes any candle below the middle dotted line, then you will take a sell chance. If it make a bullish pattern from here, then guys, the buying chances will be on. However, we consult the forex trend dashboard. Okay, from the 1 minute to 15 minutes, it's suggesting us with the downward trend. However, on the higher time frames, it's suggesting us with the upward trend. So if you are a scalper, then you should take sell positions, but it is not recommended because guys, I have told you, as per the trading system, the market just touched the middle dotted line. So here we have to wait for the confirmation that either it's going to break this level or not. Okay, so hopefully this concept should be very clear, but overall the trend of AUDJPY is bullish as per the long-term signal. Hopefully guys, you like the technical analysis of the market today. If you like this technical analysis, then please press the like button so that it could be the appreciation for me that I am giving the technical analysis to you guys, and hopefully this will be very good for you. And moreover guys, those subscribers who want to book their copies of the trading system, the red boundary indicator, the forex trend dashboard, then they can contact me within a minute on WhatsApp, that is +923186732851, and I will immediately answer to your inquiries, because I'm just going to end this live session, and maybe tomorrow we will again do the session, and after that I will continue my live sessions with you, so that I can give you a mostly good grip by using these trading indicators, and I will try my best to improve your trading technique. So guys, red boundary indicator is very powerful, and the very other powerful indicator is the forex trend dashboard. So these are the two things that you need to have, must installed on your laptop or computer while trading. And the third thing, if you can and if you want to learn the key tricks and tips of the forex trading market, then come to me. I will give you the coaching session for 3 days, and you will be taught about 30 to 35 minutes daily on Skype. And after 3 days, with the grace of God, I can say that you will be master of forex trading. So you can book your coaching sessions with me. And if you want to book your coaching session, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to subscribe to my signal service, or you want to you want to have any information about anything, then guys, contact me on my WhatsApp after this live session, +923186732851. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Please enjoy the new year that is coming ahead. So hopefully you will be preparing for the new year as well. So my all good thoughts are with you, and I just pray that everyone should be successful in this forex trading market. Thank you very much for watching this live stream. Hopefully we will be back with a new live stream tomorrow. So guys, see you tomorrow again. Bye bye. Take care.